Most expensive drug. Price $3.5 million. Hemgenix for hemophilia-B. EJW Science and Research News. Hi friends. What is hemophilia? It is a genetically inherited disease that prevents the clotting of blood because the gene responsible for clotting our blood does not produce certain factors necessary for clotting in required quantity. This gene is situated in an X chromosome, which the male children get from their mothers. So it's also termed as sex-linked chromosome. Y chromosome in the male child comes from the father. The US Food and Drug Administration has approved Hemgenix, the first gene therapy drug for hemophilia-B. Its price, a whopping $3.5 million, is beyond anyone's imagination. Still, if used in the US, it will save the healthcare system millions of dollars for each person treated by eliminating the need for regular injection of factor IX, a protein essential for blood coagulation. Present drug cost is about $700,000 to $800,000 yearly, while patients receive factor IX injections once or twice a week. If left untreated, they experience uncontrolled bleeding, leading to death. Bleeding into joints results in permanent damage, while bleeding in the brain results in long-term headaches, seizures, or a decreased level of consciousness. Developed by CSL Behring in Pennsylvania, US, this drug uses a modified virus to deliver a gene to recipient's liver cells. This gene codes for a protein, factor IX, which is not produced in required quantity. A single dose of Hemgenix will provide patients with moderate to severe hemophilia adequate protection from uncontrolled bleeding for 8 years, or potentially for a longer time. Scientists are worried that its price would not be affordable in low income and middle income countries, where most people with hemophilia-B live. Study on 54 patients using Hemgenix showed a 50% reduction in the number of bleeding episodes per year, and more than 94% discontinued any prophylactic therapy within 2 years of receiving a single dose. The participants start making factor IX very quickly, 7 to 8 months after a single dose. In the lowest of all responses, a 10% increase of factor IX is shown to prevent spontaneous bleeding, but they may require top-up prophylaxis in case of an injury or surgery where factor IX level is less than 50%. According to hematologist Dr. Edwin of University College of London, if a patient has 10 to 40% increase in factor IX, the problem is still manageable in hemophilia-B. The team finds hope in an 8-year follow-up study that gene therapy is a stable and durable treatment. Nathwani S.C. et al., Blood, Volume 132, S1, page 491 of 2018. Dr. Leonard Valentino, hematologist and CEO of National Hemophilia Foundation in New York City, says, gene therapy should not be considered lightly. It is a potentially life-changing decision, and with any life-altering decision, there can be positive and negative effects. Its approval is a milestone in the road to cure, and some recipients will be cured for many years. Dr. Tudenham, who helped to design the viral vector in Hemgenix, comments, 15% of people with hemophilia can pretty much forget about hemophilia in day-to-day life. There are different types of hemophilia. Hemophilia is caused by low amount of factor 8, B by low amount of factor 9, C by low amount of factor 11, being the major forms. Only 15% of hemophilic patients with hemophilia B, which occurs in 1 out of 40,000 males at birth. Hemogenics is a therapy for this category of hemophilia. Acute hemophilia are associated with cancer, autoimmune disorders, and pregnancy, which are very rare. Thank you very much. Till we meet again with another episode of Science and Research News. I am Edwin Williams. Please like and share my channel. Thank you.